Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of my neighbor Alliance token, and definitely I am going to tell you my next immediate short term targets, my next long duration targets, and my next medium duration target for this token. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. And please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page of Alliance and it is currently trading at $15.26 and price decreases 5.7% in 24 hours. Current rank of this token is 189. Market cap of this token is 266 million. 24-hour trading volume of this token is 67 million. Circulating supply of this token is 17.4 million, just 17.4 million. And maximum supply of this token is 100 million. And 24-hour low price of this token was $15.08 and 24-hour high price of this token was $16.68. And this is the website. And once you click on this, this will lead you to the website. This is the website. You can read and you can visit this website. Before entering in this project and before investing in this project, please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your loss or your investment loss because I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. Game design. It is not just a game for blockchain players, but it is a game that will introduce blockchains to millions of players. My Neighbor Alliance is a multiplayer builder game where anyone can buy and own virtual islands, collect and build existing items and meet new friends. Inspired by successful game. Please read this. And actually, this is a game. This is the gaming token, and you all know that gaming token has very bright future in near future. And I am very much sure that this token will give you maximum gain within 2021 because I know that this is the year of gaming token and many gaming token are gaining popular and many gaming tokens are giving much profit to their holders. These are key features you can read by your own, and you can also visit your the white paper of this token, and please visit this website before investment and please do your own research. I will not responsible any of your losses. And these are token metric of this token and these are the phases: January 2021, July 2021, September 2021 to January 2022. You can say this is the roadmap. Let's dive into the content. Let me please show you some statistics of this token. Market cap dominance of this token is 0.01 and volume according to the market cap is 0.25. All-time high of this token was $40 and it was on March 15, 2021, just 5 days ago. And all-time low of this token was 14.35 and it was on March 17, 2021. This token is available on these exchanges: Binance, BK Exchange, HBTC. And if you want to trade or if you want to buy this token from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of this Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds and it will take only 30 seconds. And if you want to get some small cap coins, then please create your account with my Hotbit link and click on this link and create your account. And if you want to open a leverage trading account, then click on this link of Bybit and create your account and get $200 bonus after depositing some amount into Bybit exchange. Let's dive into the chart and let me please tell you my targets. Here you can see this is the Alliance US dollar chart of 4-hour Binance and it was rejected from $59.27. And now currently it is trading at $15.2. The price, all-time high price of this token was on this chart $59 and now it is currently trading at $15. What this means? This means that this token is already in 75% down. This token is already 75% down in price, and I think this will be the new beginning for this token. Currently it is at $15.18, and all-time low of this token on this chart is $0.18. Let me please tell you my first immediate short-term target for this token right now. Please friends, thumbs up the like button for this effort, and please keep supporting me. Your support is like oxygen to me. Thanks. This is our first target of this token. $26.84. You can say $26 is our first target of this token, and definitely once it breaks this horizontal resistance, then definitely it will hit this 26.84, because this token is currently 75% down, and this token is just some days old, and that is why I'm very much sure that this token will give you maximum gain. I think so, and I am very much sure on this. Let me please tell you my medium duration and long duration target for this token right now. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please thumbs up the like button right now. According to the Fibonacci retracement tool, it is currently at lowest level of Fibonacci retracement, which is 0.23, and it is currently $15.14 only. And if you buy from this zone, then definitely it will give you good gain. Let me please tell you what kind of gain I am expecting from this token right now. Please wait. Sorry for that. Sorry for inconvenience. $135 is my target for this token in this year. I think this is very realistic target and should have to give you 800% profit in this year. And this is very realistic. This is the target, I think so. And within 3 to 6 months, I think this token should have to cross $50 limit and should have to hit $50 within 2 months or within 3 months. I am very much sure that, and maybe this token will hit this target in this year. 210, you can say. This is the target. This target will give you 1300% gain. My first target, my medium duration target for this token is $50, and my second target for this token is $200. You can say 135, and within 135 to $200, these are my targets. But I am very much sure. I think that this is the very realistic target, $135, and I think it should have to hit this target very soon, and within 2021 it have to hit this. 135 is the target of 2021, and maybe it will hit $200, but my target is $135 for this token in this bull run. And in this 2021, I am expecting that this token should have to hit this target. And if you want any coins technical analysis, if you want any coins information, and any coins next immediate short-term targets, then please comment the coin in this video's description, in this video comment section. Definitely I will make video on this, on these coins which you comment on this video's comment section. And please thumbs up the like button, and please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please join my Telegram channel. Links are in this video's description. Thanks for the watching, and please friends keep supporting me.